Alomuna kakwata ngona kaisaka nyangona luka nyare kotoma itolomune tanai kanyitare kosomero aloi tutuorere anasin kama okole ausoroti comprehensive nursing kamidi free kesilolo e choraki na isacha koko ikelwa pugan luebe itori ai mokea dekak Aminista na chichi na showman na ko primary Dr. Joyce Kaducu Moriku ka arasisi oibuga soroti pa kangesie keuneteno itolomunio imuroklu ko Hyde Park soroti.
And you know what it means to be called? It's a calling of commitment to serve with love. You're going to work with people who are depressed. You're going to work with people who just want to see a smile from your face to be healed. You're going to work with people who just want a counseling word from you to be healed. You're going to work with the people who just want a kind word from you to be healed. And for that matter, I want to appeal to you as healthcare providers. We are known to be rude, not all of us, but some of us. We are known to be rude to the mothers. We are known to be rude to our patients. I want to appeal to you in a special way. Please, this is a calling. Let's treat our parents, our patients with love. You've obtained credits, distinctions, degrees, and the passes. But doesn't matter. The most important thing that causes difference in your life is your attitude. You are called to transform our society. You are called to make the healthcare professions in a better way. Wherever you go, make a difference in that facility where you are going. Keep safe. You have the drugs that you can easily abuse them.
The graduates, please, you have taken oath, stick to the oath. You should not be the first person to be caught taking Panadol home.
Alomuna kakwape imurokolo adekesi ka amokole akese ineritosi kesi da kobaka sebe.
Pelekine na jatari ngabongoro kaumina. Ajana kina tekere. Ano ino atutule kotiete. Iduwe kere.
Aminosha no okotere kyoso kera sono ino. Jero no we para no bu ana yellow down so ngede para shama shumo kosi.
Kere tai de jaska na chande kuno tabe. Uloto somero anu na ra imambi sara kinga ile kwa yo. Ya inyo ya benefit ke.
Edope kaoriak sam ebalu olato nesi abu kichora kaoriaka titing kanoa yangari due osomero tetere imedaunete koingaren.
Ya saudia. Ya nasue. Are rapisi, are resama. Ya nasue. Arai. Mampu goni ngare na kiekele ma aina.
Kejangono da polo kinitone somerolo anasinilo Mr. Francis Itomit niesi abu opesi aningo shanu itere kina kede somero nejai Aminista kobala ebe.
We need about 150 million for the surveying, fencing, creating roads, drawing a master plan for the new site. There is a challenge of sound means of transport. This we have discussed at length, I'm sure we shall realize it. As we wait for the development of the new site, Honorable Minister, there's still an urgent need to remove the asbestos roofs in the staff quarters. This has been a song for the last, I think, 20 years.
We have secured funds to ensure that infrastructure for this school is put in place. On that note, I want to thank the district for donating the 12 acres of land for the school.
Kanuka TV East, Solomon Neramu, Koibuga Soroti.